If you don't know, machining was also like I play around with our manual lathe. Like to me, machining is like a step above, and it's definitely a challenge that I want to get into. Um, we have resources now, people that we know that are experts at this stuff, and they can really help us. And we're excited to get into some CNC machining. We're going to get a CNC lathe. We're going to go with that the Lynx 2100 LSYB. I think it's a good introductory machine for what we're doing, and so stay tuned for that. That's going to be pretty exciting, I think.
Yeah, we're excited.